This week, pay for fuel at any PP garage using your NetBank debit card to stand a chance to win a cash prize of 10,000 rands. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's a DSTV Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, AmaZulu 1. I'm joined by Bo.
Stibo.
Tango.
Ukraine.
Ufishare abantu la.
Ngishabuka hostani konje namhlanje.
Hayi, ubabolekile.
Bekuhostani.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Bekuhosti Chiefs ne?
No, beku AmaZulu.
Bekuhosti AmaZulu.
Yeah, beku AmaZulu.
Uma uyibiza kahle kumele uthi
AmaZulu
1,
yes.
Kaizer Chiefs 1.
Yeah.
Angazi mkhambe ngenza mistake.
Angasengishawa ilabo si.
From now no guys, sorry kuphazamisa. From now ne ngicela ningasaphindi nibize ubobo ngezinye izinto usibali sami lesi.
Yes.
Sibali ngiyabathanda bodade wakho. Ngiyabona bangakanani abosesi bakho kahle kahle ngiyabathanda.
Manje uyakhumbula ngihlala ngitshela ngithi injabulo uma ingekho emndenini uhamba uyifuna noma ngabe nguphi. Ungambona lo future abantwana be-Downs. Kunzima uthatha. Kunzima so injabulo ayikho so uyabona ukuthi kuhlalwa ku-happy ngapha.
Yes.
So at least thumbs up. Okay, Sibo. Ithi senze so awuthami ngicela ukuthi happy Mother's Day kubo bonke abomama bakhona la kulomhlaba buti ngithi mina siyabathanda kakhulu abomama wethu
too much
siyabathanda kakhulu so siyathanda ukubabona ba happy yabona namanje kubonakala bona laba bayelo ukuthi no bajabulile but happy Mother's Day kubo bonke abomama abakhona awuthami
exactly igame ubone kanjani bobo
so Sibo igame imnandi awuthami angifuni ukukutshela manga uma ngabe ukhonile ukubheka ama team O2 AmaZulu neKaizer Chiefs beze nga-approach efanayo for ama-lineup ungi-understande kahle bonke bebaza ngama-4-2-3-1 4-2-3-1 but kuhlukaphi kuhluka ukuthi uma nine-build-up nicala i-build-up yenu ama-team acala imele i-change lapha i-system uma ngabe i-pattern is 4-2-3-1 kumele i-change uma ngabe kuba ne-build-up uya-understand so i-AmaZulu ngiyibonile uma iba ne-build-up ngizocala ngayo i-AmaZulu uma iba ne-build-up i-AmaZulu then but demand the central midfield ungema no Ben yibo abafuna ukuthi lamabhola bawaqale in the middle uma ngabe i-defense ibamba ibhola yibo abademand amabhola you understand then uhanamu no bani lentwana le no nithi ubani lentwana uYosta yiba bakhuphukayo you understand then bayaphi bayiline ku center line so that banikeza lamachita ispace sokuthi bakhona ukuthi badlale you understand so ubabheke amarayima kancane ngongema awuthami ngisafuna
ukutshela
hayi
number 20
awuthami unumber 20
AmaZulu
uhlalwazi ukuthi number 20 AmaZulu ungema imnandi le bar uyabona ukuthi if basebenzisa ungema sometimes bangasebenzisa ungema basebenzisa bani lentwana le namhlanje kube badlala no Ben kuyayifanela awuthami the way ba demand ibhola ngakhona ku central midfield bakhona ukujoina ama number 10 wabo awu3 ama number 10 wabo awu3 bokuno bani uMubara then kuba no XTN one player awuthami
top player
mina ngazi ukuthi uhambelana kwamanye amaqembu awuthami asazi mhlawumbe behind the scene ini XTN awuthami ngabheka uyabonisa ukuthi uyi-player is matured
phuma phesheya
you understand no ngaphandle kokuya phesheya uyabonisa ukuthi udlalile manje kumacembu lafana nabo Kaizer Chiefs uyambona ukuthi noma abamba ibhola unale confidence
exactly
noma bekadlala against bo Pirates against bo Sundowns umbonile ukuthi unale confidence uma abamba ibhola so udlalile uXTN bese basebenzisa lentwana umlenga ezama number 10 bahleli nobani bahleli nalentwana lapha lebe babiza bathi bayithengisa nge20 million nitubani le striker lesi
number 11
yazi nokhohla manje
but leso
no indaba yazini labadlali baningi man selabanye nokuthi bakhohla ngisho lentwana striker sabo
esiamazulu
waselimpopo AmaZulu okay so uma ungabheka bebakhona ukuthi bajoin ama number 10 akhona ukuthi sometimes bakhona ukuswitcha iplay uma ngabe uswitch iplay ngapha uza ngapha bheka ishape yala majita ama number 10 wabo ukuthi benzani bakhona ukucombine nabo Ben in the middle of the park abayivuli igap you understand so mina amaZulu ngibona idlale kahle because if ba lose pole position bheka ama full back wabo ayabuya azohlala awu4 lapha emove you understand bese kuba no Ben lo ishape bebayikhipha ishape la majita because uma ungabheka nale goal ababanikeze lona okay I defender awu building ngalendlela leya awuthanda thina besithi masithi school abasitshela ukuthi mangabe ubuilda lapha le bhola lela awulihambise phansi it's either ulihambise emoyeni because uma ulihambisa phansi bazol intercept but singakhohlwa ukunika icredit kule pressing iKaizer Chiefs eyenzile ingikhumbuza enye pressing abayenza abadlala neMaritzburg last season first round last season or last of last the pressing uDuprez upressile awuthanda udlale kahle naye simnikeze credit akusibangaka abakhona ukintercepta lawo amabhola lawa you understand so he played very well ukuthi abone ukuthi ibuild up yalabantu abazange babe mnandi ku build up then wa press wathatha ibhola waphasa inet you understand umsebenzi uwenzile as uDuprez but overall awuthami amaZulu idlalile awuthami iyo beyidominate mina kuyangami kule game amaZulu beyidominate
so are you saying they were better than Chiefs
angazi ama stats uthame kanjani but mina the way amaZulu ngibone ngakhona idlalile awuthami because bebakhona ukucirculate ibhola lamajita bebakhona bheka ama right ama full back wabo bekakhona ukuthi ajumpe i-right nge-center line ahamba deliver ama-cross you understand so they played very well aside in the Kaizer Chiefs awuthami Kaizer Chiefs nayo ivele ngayo le system engitshela ngayo 4-2-3-1 but the problem
is what
ukuthi i-back four yabo ihlezi ayikhuphuki noma ingathi yakhuphuka sometimes ukhuphuka uHlanti akabanikezi lento but today udlalile let us be honest nasemalangeni udlalile uHlanti today compared to lama game anokwadlala
but akabaniki
akabanikezi lento kumele ukuthi bayidlale because okay unabobani eboxini uma ufuna uHlanti azocrossa lamabhola uyawaletha yini lawo mabhola na because ngithi ngibheka uSithebe uye umuntu bekangcono kunomthetho mina angazi bafethu angithanda ukugceka abadlali but umthetho abafethu ngiyazibuza ukuthi yini umsebenzi wakhe uyinceda ngani Chiefs offensive or defensive kumele kucace phela ukuthi banceda ngani because uSithebe kumele ukuthi overtake uDaireng umthetho uma ba attack uSithebe kumele abe khona uma ngaba defender kumele ayo assista no sometimes phela okunye ucoach bekumele ukuthi ngabe yakubheka okay wayangadlali nge-anchor A1 amanye adlale ngale anchor nikezela abadlali ba attack because bheka abomodi bamnama 10 wabo umodi bese kuba no bathu bande ntwana le uVilakazi you understand sebathatha uDuprez namhlanje uDuprez bebangamdlalisi as a false 9 bamdlalisa as I number 10 but edlalela ngapha ku flank you understand so bamswitche wayedlala as a number 9 after mabaqeda baletha nithubani le midfield yabo le balethu sayile ayangale understand okay masapo wabo ngahle ngithi asebenzile wasebenzanga usayile ngiya understand ama support abo killer bazo celebrate abajabula umathatha indoda ahamba nayo boxing but the last touch is very important into ebalekile last touch mina ungadribula abadlali abawu10 aba11 ngo goalkeeper but the last touch awenzanga nix mangabe last touch yakhe ayisebenzi because uma ungambheka uyalicarry but uma lifika liyafa awuthama you understand so ama support uletha nithubani uCastillo bekazoyenzana uCastillo
I don't understand.
Angithanda abadlali. Okay, uCastillo uzoyenzani because manje iChiefs ithi 1-1. You understand? Okay. Uletha uCastillo kusanomthethwa, kusanosithebe phakathi. It's whereby amazo introduce lentwana le umfundo. Angikhana khipha ubani? Akhipha uOx. uOx ngabe vele kudala amkhiphile mina ukuya ngami. But angeke sisole kangaka because ezinye zezinto angeke singenelele too much behind the scene asaziwenzakalana kuma training section wabo asathi. But imagine baletha ubhuti wakhe Gonzalez uzoshaya try 1 beka yapho Gonzalez nga 90 minutes or 92 minutes yini uGonzalez bekezele yona because hi come on
asimuze
ubhuti wami uGonzalez akunandaba and ngiyamthanda futhi my brother from another mother but into engizokutshela yona mpintshami bamfakile but nakhona ngicabanga ukuthi ucoach kahle yena bekazimisele ngedraw ngoba angeke uzofaka umuntu sekubo 90 something udla isikhathi ngamaye amagama
support ukhila angisho abangathi mina ngingena emlonyeni this is my interview ngifuna ukumtshela one thing ukhila ucinisile uma kathi ucoach bekafuna idraw because umbonile ukuletha kwakhe ulo lentwana yena uCastillo.
Yes.
We understand.
Yeah.
uCastillo bese bayi3 ma central midfield. Kusho kona ukuthi ulethi draw. Uma letha lo udla isikhathi, kusho kwakhile udla isikhathi. Ungamfaka nge90 minutes or 92 minutes. Kusho kona ukuthi udla isikhathi. You understand? Bekafuna idraw. Mina bengithi uma afaka uCastillo ufuna ukudila ngalamabhola acalwa ungema nomunari in the middle of the park. But manje ngiyabheka udlala deep uCastillo. Udlala wide. Mina bengicabanga lokho malethu uCastillo ngento ufuna ukuthi at least uCastillo azo destroy lama pass adlala ilama cheetah because yiwo beka ingozi lama pass. Yiwo beka ingozi. So amaZulu athami neKhosi badlalile kumnandi Killer angazi mhlawumbe ukuthi uthini uthi ukhona top 8 kanjani
top 8 ayina kanjani ngenkani ngiyangena enye into engifuna ukuyisho bobo ne namuhla ngiyabonga ukuthi mpishamo ube khona nami ngibonile kancane inyoka yakho ngathi bowuthandazela mina namuhla uhlambi khona elinye ibhola nemfethu ne awu referee ngibonile ukuthi vele abo referee totally hayi ukuthi sometimes abathengwa nethi vele abo referee ngathi
sometimes abathengwa ne
hayi ababoni what ngithi ababoni khona ibhola elingale kuhlanti esayidini lami ne ulibambile ngesandla la uHlanti yes mara beyangekho ku 18 but ulibambile ngesandla uReverend akazangabone but ngicabanga ukuthi futhi khona elinye ibhola ngapha ku side lamaZulu elenzeke so ngesandla leda ngazi ukuthi ubani lelo player lelo wanga coach wanga judge wanga referee so bangitshengisa ukuthi kahle kahle abo referee bala abekho grand kumele baye esikolweni ngoba angeke uzubona ifoul uyibonile not ukuthi ayibonanga uyibonile maqeda wasmile wahleka uhlekane kubeni wenza izinto ezirong
yazi lamagama akhulumayo abawakhuluma kuwonke ama game ukuthi abo referee banamaphutha angachoose ama game ukuthi abo referee banamaphutha kwese kwamanye ama game azokutshela ukuthi ureferee uthengiwe umvuma yona but akakhulume lokho kuwonke ama game so listen Killer ngifuna ukudlulisela la okwesibili uthi lento ayikhulumayo mina ngithanda ukukhuluma ngama decision vele yabo referee ngihlala ngitshela mina ngithi from dala sangakutshela ngathi abo referee vele abekho mnandi le ball iKiller khuluma ngalo ngilibonile ne nalo lele amaZulu ngilibonile even nale goal ekoro amaZulu angazi ne but mina ngithe uma ngithi ngiya double check nje kancane beyibonakala ngathi ine offside igoal eAmazulu ulitswalo bekubonakala ngathi uyang understand no kancane senyasha angisho ukuthi njalo bafowethu angayiboni kahle ngisafuna ukuyibona uyang understand so le ama penalty yana champ siyohlala sikhala ngako njengoba bakhala ngabo goalkeeper phela labantu aba sometimes bayimosha yibo abamosha abadlali ne team bebakhala ngokhune bathi ukhune emdala bafuna uPitase wadwade bamletha wadliwa amagoli amanye ashaya bomayema just because udliwe Sundowns but lo muntu yazidlisa lo asamfuni baletha uvuma manje bakhala ngovuma awuthami ithi ngitshele ngeCheese iCheese mamela sorry iCheese anobe ngibhizi ngaCheese ezini iCheese awuthami ngiyacala ukuthi sibone iCheese ithenga abo goalkeeper thina besikhula sazi iCheese developer abo goalkeeper so basazoba ne crisis since well basana lento leyo ukuthi bona bafuna ukuthenga abo keeper thina sazi beba developer lapho khona ngifuna ukutshela amanzi beba developer awuchami so ungakhohlwa into enye ngifuna ukuyidlulisa la ama point weChiefs nawe Swallows equals to ama point weSundowns different is 1 point
when you add them
uma add ama game weChiefs it's ngifuna ukumtshela they played 28 games which means 28 plus 28 is 56 they played 56 games iSwallows neChiefs maswahlanganisa bese baba na how many points iSwallows ina 32 bona bana 35 which means iya ku 67 67 points iSundowns idlale only 26 games ina how many points 66 lama team awu2 asesowethashi Sundowns nga 1 point badlale how many games 56 games kusho ukuthini lo I don't know Killer kukunikeza ndo ngicela kutshela
sibale lalela la
no
yabona usibale angahlanganisi mina neSwallows ahlanganisa ubani nozibani sibale sodakiwe manje
same WhatsApp group abaleke top 8 kunzima and sorry bengisangena ngapha ngisho kunenye into bengisafuna ukubuza kunenye into ngifuna ukuyibuza understand nama supporters njani kunama supporter beyoluka busy 3 weeks back bathi Sundowns angeke ivukile Stellenbosch
they did
but angeke after kuvela iChoice but vele na kanjani Stellenbosch siyayihlupha iSundowns okay it's fine sambile sawudla Stellenbosch 2-1 manje mamela labantu bathini manje laba bePirates bathini
bekhona labo referee
yazi bathini bePirates bathi Stellenbosch angesidli Sundowns uyazi why
What?
bafuna ngena ku top 2 bafuna kuya ku champ bathi Stellenbosch angesidli Sundowns alabantu sebasangena
They said they're gonna support you.
akwamuzwa uThami athi Stellenbosch angesidli Sundowns Thami akwamuzwa uThami
Awusangene.
hayi mina ngithi
Kumele wabheke la mavideo.
Stellenbosch
No.
Stellenbosch sizodrone Sundowns
No, ngithi mina Stellenbosch sizowina. Yabo ngeke iSundowns idle Stellenbosch kayi2.
Anguzwa.
Isizowina iStellenbosch.
uyazi ama-stats we-Sundowns ne-Stellenbosch
Akunandaba.
Guy, man of the match before ngibala. Change for his card.
mina Thami mina ngivaya nongema awuthami ngiya-understanda uveli mota bamnikezile man of the match but mina ngivaya nongema awuthami
Number
he
20.
played very well angifuna ukutshela manga
Thank you, Bobo.
my favorite player awuthami
Awunandi.
Gonzalo ushaya i-try namhlanje
Awusibani sakhonzolosi.